Now let us solve question number 7. The question number 7 is a bag contains 6 red balls, 4 green balls and 2 blue balls. Zia takes a ball from the bag at random. The diagram shows a probability scale. The probability of A is 0. The probability of G is 1. As there are 6 parts from A to G, so the probability of B will be 1 over 6 because this is the first part of 6 parts, and the probability of C will be 2 over 6. It is located at second position. B is first and the C is second position. The position of A is 0, so the probability of A is 0 by 6, which is 0. And similarly the probability of D will be 3 over 6, and the probability of E is 4 over 6. Its probability is 5 over 6, and the probability of G is 1. It is already given. It can be calculated as 6 by 6, which is 1. Now, which arrows shows the probability that Zia takes a green ball, Zia takes a yellow ball, and Zia does not take a blue ball? So let us find the probability of first red ball, green ball and blue balls. As there are total 12 balls, so the probability of green will be 6 over 12, which is same as 1 over 3 by 6. Dividing the numerator and denominator by 2, we will get 3 over 6. And the probability of green, as there are 4 green balls, red balls are 6, and the probability of green, this is the probability of red. Now the probability of green is 4 over 12, which is same as 2 over 6. Finally, the probability of blue is equal to 2 over 12, which is same as 1 over 6. Now, Zia takes a green ball. You can see that the probability of green ball is 2 over 6, which represents arrow C. So the answer of part A is C. The next part B is Zia takes a yellow ball. As there is no yellow balls, so the probability of yellow ball is 0, and the arrow A represents probability, shows probability of A, which is 0. Next we have to find the probability Zia doesn't take a blue ball. As the probability of blue ball is 1 over 6, and the probability of its opposite, probability not blue, that will be equal to 1 minus. After simplifying, we will get it is 5 over 6. So the arrow F represents the probability 5 over 6. So the answer of part C is F. Now let us solve question number 8. In question number 8, there are 2 parts, the part A and part B. In part A, we are given a equation 8x is equal to 32. In order to solve this equation, we will have to keep the variable x on left side, and we will have to get rid of 8. In order to cancel 8, we will have to divide both sides by 8, because the opposite of multiplication is division. As 8 is multiplied by x, so in order to cancel 8, we will divide both sides by 8. So 8 times 4 is equal to 6. Answer in this case is 4. Now let us solve part B. In order to get rid of minus 3, we will have to add plus 3 on both sides. So minus 3 and plus 3 will cancel each other. and this will be 6x is equal to 15. Now 6 is multiplied by x as we did part A. In order to get rid of 6, we will divide both sides by 6. So after dividing, we will get 3 5s or 15 and 2 6. The answer of x is equal to 5 over 2. Now let us solve part C of the number 8. In question number part C, we are given an inequality minus 4 is less than equal to x less than 2, and we have to represent this inequality on the number line. We are also given a number line, as we see that the inequality starts from minus 4 and ends at 2. So we will draw a circle on minus 4 and above 2. As minus 4 is included, minus 4 is less than and equal to. So equal means it is included. So we will shade it minus 4, but we didn't shade 2 because 2 is not a part of the solution. 2 is not included. X is less than, strictly less than 2. So now we will join minus 4 with 2. So this is our representation of inequality on the number line. Now let us start question number 9. In question number 9, part A, we are given an angle. Write down the mathematical name for this type of angle. As we know that the angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is a reflex angle. So this angle, you see that it is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this is a reflex angle. In part B, question number 9, we are given a triangle ABC, and the value of angle A is 54 degree. The value of angle C is 102 degree, and the value of angle B is x degree. Lily says x is 34. Give a geometrical reason why Lily is not correct. So as you know that the sum of the angles of a triangle, interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So let us first find the value of x. X degree plus 54 degree plus 102 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degree. Now we see that x degree is equal to 54 plus 102. This will make 156 and it is equal to 180 degree. Now x degree will be equal to 180 degree minus 156 and the answer is 24 degree. But Lily says that x is 34. So Lily is wrong because in this way the sum of the angles of the interior angles of a triangle is not equal to 180 degrees. So we will write the geometrical reason. Lily is wrong because if we take x is equal to 34 degree, the sum of interior angles of the triangle ABC is not equal to 180 degree. Now part C. We are given a quadrilateral ABCD ABCD. This is a quadrilateral. Calculate the value of x, and this is the exterior angle, and we have to find the value of this angle x. So in order to find the value of this x, first we will find this interior angle C. As this is a quadrilateral and the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral should be equal to 360 degree. So in this way we will find the value of C. Then we will apply the law of straight angle, which is the sum of two side by side angles on a straight angle is 180 degree. In this way we will find the value of x. So let us start. Now for interior angles of ABCD are 48 degree plus 75 degree plus C degree plus 126 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now let us add these three angles. 48 plus 75 plus 126. 8 and 5 are 13, 13 and 6 are 19, 19, 9, 1 will be carried, 1 and 4, 5, 4, 5 and 7, 12, 12 and 2, 14, 1 carried, 249. So C degree plus 249 degree, all things is equal to 360 degree. Now in order to cancel 249 degree, we will have to subtract both sides by 249 degree. This will give the value of C degree, that is equal to 360 minus 249 is equal to 111 degree. Now apply the law of straight angle on the line DCE. DCE is a straight angle, and this is angle we have calculated, it is 111 degree. And now the sum of x degree plus 1 is equal to 180 degree. When we take 111 to right side, it will become negative, and after subtracting 111 from 180 degree, the x degree will be equal to 69 degree. So the answer of x is 69 degree. The next question is question number 10. Anna and Bruno share some money in the ratio Anna ratio Bruno is equal to 3:7. Calculate the total amount of money they share. Bruno receive $36 more than Anna. So we suppose that Anna receives $X. $X. In this way, Bruno will receive X plus 36 because Bruno receives 36 more than Anna. Now the total money will be equal to X plus 36 is equal to 2X plus $36. This is the total, and the sum of ratio will be equal to 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Let us find the share of Anna. Share of Anna, that is equal to, its ratio is 3, and the sum of the ratio is 10 times 2X plus 36. Share of Anna is X, as we suppose that it is X, and this is 3/10 times 2X plus 36. When we take 10 to the left side, it will become 10X, and 3 times 2X plus 36 will become 3 to the 6X plus 3 6 the 10 8. After solving this question, we will get x is equal to $27. Now we have to find the total amount, and putting the value of x is equal to 27 in this question. 2 into 27 plus 36, 2 times 27 is 54 plus 36, that is equal to 90. So the total amount of money they share is equal to $90. Now let us solve question number 11. Naz pays $76.25 per day to hire a car. He hires this car for 7 days. He also pays $146 for fuel. Calculate the total amount Naz pays. So first we find the pay to hire the car for 7 days. Pay for 7 days, that will be equal to 76.25 multiply 7. When we multiply it by 7, we can use calculator. 76.25 times 7, that is equal to 533.75. 533.75. Now the fuel price is equal to $146. So in order to find the total, we will add these two prices. 533.75 plus 146, 679.75. So this is our total amount Naz pays. Now let us solve part B, question number 8, part B. Lee pays $1,400 to hire a car. $364 of this is insurance. Calculate the insurance as a percentage of the $1,400. In order to find the insurance as a percentage, so insurance as a percentage, we will divide the amount of we will write the amount of insurance as the numerator and the total amount, which is 1,400, in the denominator, and then multiply it with 100%. So we can cancel these two zeros with these two zeros, and after dividing 364 with 14, we will get the answer 26%. So the answer is 26%. Now let us solve question number 12. 300 students choose where to go on a trip. The students choose either a zoo, a museum, an art gallery, or a sports stadium. Show that 75 students choose the museum. As we can see from the diagram, the students who choose the museum has right angle 90 degree. Let us suppose that the students who choose museum is equal to x degree. students choose museum is equal to x. Now let us form an equation to find the angle. X over 300 times 360 degree, that is equal to 90 degree, as 90 degree is the angle of for museum. So after solving this equation, we will find the value of x. So 300 will be multiplied by 90, it will give 27,000 divided by 360, and that will be the value of x. Now let us find 27 divided by 360, and the answer is 75. We have proved that the students who choose the museums are 75. In part B, 45 students choose the art gallery and 120 students choose the sports stadium. Complete the pie chart, show this information. First we will find the students who choose zoo, as there are 300 students, and we will subtract 45 students and then 120 and finally 75. This will give the students who choose zoo is equal to 60. Now we will find the angles of each destination. First find the angles of zoo. That will be equal to 60 divided by 300 multiplied by 360. So after cancellation, 3 2s are 6, and when we multiply 2 by 36, the angle is 72 degree. So this angle is 72 degree. This angle we have written as 72 degree. Now let us find the angle of art gallery. That is equal to 45 over 300 multiplied by 360. Let us find its answer now. 45 multiplied by 36, that is equal to 1620 over 30. We can cancel 0 with 0, and after dividing it by 30, we will get the value of art gallery, that is equal to 54 degree. Now in the diagram we will find the angle 54 degree with the help of this protractor. 54, this is 55, and this is 54. Now join this point with the center. This is angle 54, and it represents art gallery. Now the remaining are sports stadium. Sports stadium.